Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AI Video Cut, a tool to repurpose your longer videos into several viral clips. First, you need to paste the video link, or alternatively you can upload it from your device, and then click Submit. Now your video is being processed. You can decide if you want to choose our prompt, then you need to select Template, and you will be able to choose the prompt from this drop-down. Alternatively, you can choose Custom Prompt to type the prompt in yourself. In case with this video, I'm going to choose the AI Video Cut prompt. You need to click this drop-down and choose from the variety of prompts depending on what you want to get as a result. For this video, I'm going to choose Multi-Product Recap because there are many products mentioned in this video. You can now select the clip length and decide on the aspect ratio depending on where you want to post. Then you can choose the original video language for better caption and transcription quality. Next, you can turn the captions off, or you can leave them on and choose from the variety of styles. Below you can see the credit usage, and you can click Submit and wait for your video to process. This might take a couple of minutes. Once your video is ready, you can click to preview it. And you can also copy your transcript from here. If you're satisfied, you can download the video or regenerate it. You can also add the video to favorites. Feel free to share your feedback in the lower right corner and have fun repurposing your videos at aivideocut.com.